Graham's Plumbing is an A+ rated, BBB accredited business, and has served Louisville plumbing needs in southern Indiana since 1975. We are licensed and fully insured. We provide high-quality commercial and residential plumbing renovations and repairs. Here's what some of our customers had to say. Ms. Bond says, "Graham's Plumbing was superb. They replaced 2 toilets, fixed a busted spigot and repaired a leak in our sink. Professional and on time. I highly recommend them for all of your plumbing needs." Christopher Hanekamp says, "From start to finish, Sam and the others were terrific. I was watching my friend's grandfather's house as he was very ill, and they're so professional and thoughtful. The plumbing hasn't been updated in years and the pipes had frozen over bad. They fixed it all and now the pipes are much better than the old ones and everything's working splendidly. Thanks to Graham Plumbing for the high level of expertise and speedy and excellent job. We're fast, affordable, and professional, and would like a chance to earn your repeat business. For fast service, contact us.